Encouraging children and teens to engage in regular exercise is vital for their physical and mental growth. The journey of fitness should be enjoyable and rewarding, sparking a lifelong love for movement. Start by creating an environment that promotes activity rather than a sedentary lifestyle. This can be as simple as limiting screen time and encouraging outdoor play, where the natural world becomes a playground of adventures waiting to be explored. Introduce a variety of activities that cater to different interests and abilities. Dance classes, team sports, swimming, or martial arts offer children and teens the chance to find something they truly enjoy. Encourage them to try different options, making sure to listen to what they enjoy most. The goal is to ensure that each individual feels confident and excited about being active. Establishing a routine helps nurture both accountability and expectation. Designate specific days and times for physical activity, integrating it into their schedules. Family activities like weekend hikes, cycling trips, or playing games at the local park create memorable experiences and set a great example. By fostering a supportive environment around exercise, kids will develop healthy habits that translate into adulthood. Become a role model by participating in physical activities alongside them. Show enthusiasm. Whether it's engaging in a spirited game of soccer in the backyard or showing off some cool dance moves at home, your involvement not only reinforces the idea that exercise is a priority, but also strengthens family bonds. Turning workouts into fun shared experiences can celebrate wins together, fostering a sense of achievement and teamwork. Incorporate a mix of structured and unstructured activities. While team sports and classes provide essential skills and social interaction, unstructured play allows creativity to flourish. Outdoor games like tag or capture the flag encourage friendly competition and spontaneity. A balance ensures your child develops a robust skill set while also harnessing their imagination. Lastly, celebrate achievements, no matter how small. Creating a visual reward system like a chart can motivate kids to reach their aspirations. Reflecting on progress creates positive reinforcement, paving the way for continued growth. As exercise becomes part of their lifestyle, the benefits will cascade into other aspects of their lives, enhancing their overall well-being and confidence. Physical activity is essential for children's and teens' growth and development. Engaging in regular exercise not only improves physical fitness, but also boosts mental health and social skills. It is crucial to instill a love for movement early on, which can foster lifelong habits of physical activity. One effective way to encourage exercise among children and teens is to make it fun. Activities such as dance, games, or team sports can ignite enthusiasm for physical activity. Organizing fun challenges like a treasure hunt or obstacle course makes movement exciting while honing skills like coordination and balance. Incorporating music into workouts can also elevate the energy, making every session feel like a celebration. Establishing a routine can play a significant role in maintaining consistent exercise habits. Setting specific days and times for physical activity helps to create a sense of commitment. Encourage families to engage in activities together, such as hiking, biking, or playing sports in the backyard. This not only promotes fitness, but strengthens family bonds, turning exercise into a cherished quality time. Introducing variety is key to keeping children and teens engaged. From swimming to martial arts, there are numerous options to explore, preventing boredom from setting in. Try to expose them to different sports, allowing them to discover their preferences. Joining local clubs or teams can offer structured opportunities, creating a sense of belonging while nurturing skills and friendships. Parents must also lead by example, demonstrating healthy habits and an active lifestyle. Children are likely to emulate their parents' behavior, so prioritize physical activity as a family. Whether it's going for a walk or participating in a yoga session at home, showing enthusiasm for exercise encourages kids to adopt the same attitude. It's essential to ensure that children and teens understand their bodies and how to listen to them. Teach them to recognize signs of fatigue and the importance of rest and recovery. Encourage them to partake in age-appropriate exercises that keep them safe, while challenging them to improve their skills. This balanced approach will help promote a positive relationship with fitness that lasts. Lastly, celebrate achievements no matter how small. Recognizing progress fosters motivation and instills confidence. Creating a reward system for milestones can make exercising feel more tangible and rewarding. Ultimately, the goal is to cultivate a lifelong love for movement, ensuring children and teens enjoy the many benefits of an active lifestyle. In today's digital age, encouraging children and teens to engage in regular exercise is vital for their physical and mental well-being. The first step in fostering an active lifestyle is to make exercise enjoyable. Activities like dancing, biking, swimming, or playing team sports can transform exercise into a fun adventure, rather than a chore. By allowing kids to choose activities they genuinely enjoy, parents can cultivate a positive relationship with physical fitness from an early age. Establishing a routine can also be beneficial. Designate certain days or times of the week for family exercise activities, such as weekend hikes or evening jogs. When physical activity becomes part of the family routine, it reinforces the idea that exercise is a regular, healthy habit. Families can play together, fostering teamwork and support while instilling important values related to health and fitness. Variety is key, as boredom can quickly set in with repetitive activities. Encourage kids to explore different sports or exercises. For instance, a child could try martial arts one season and switch to soccer the next. This not only keeps things fresh and exciting, but also allows kids to develop various skills and discover new interests. Engaging in diverse activities fosters versatility and helps build a well-rounded fitness foundation. Moreover, it's essential to set achievable goals for young athletes. Goals can be as simple as completing a certain number of laps in the pool or improving a skill in a favorite sport. Celebrating achievements, no matter how small, can boost confidence and motivation. Progress tracking, whether through a journal or a digital app, can encourage children to remain accountable and excited about their fitness journeys. Encouraging physical activity is linked to numerous health benefits. Regular exercise aids in development, enhances coordination, builds strength and endurance, and supports cardiovascular health. Furthermore, it positively impacts mental health, reducing anxiety and stress while improving mood and focus. Understanding these benefits not only motivates children and teens, but also cultivates a lifelong appreciation for health and fitness. Additionally, active children are more likely to adopt healthy habits into their adult lives. Finally, leading by example is one of the strongest motivators for kids. When parents demonstrate an active lifestyle, it sends a powerful message about the importance of exercise. Join in on the fun, show enthusiasm for physical activity, and inspire children to embrace a vibrant, healthy lifestyle that promotes movement, connection, and joy.